Hello, thinkers. Robert N. Jacobs here from Thinkers Books, your go-to hub for the most insightful and thought-provoking books of our time. Today we're diving into a timeless masterpiece that's as relevant today as it was nearly 2 millennia ago. Yes, you guessed it right. We're discussing On the Shortness of Life by the legendary Stoic philosopher Seneca. Written around 49 AD, this book is not just a philosophical essay, but rather a call to action. It challenges us to examine our lives, our priorities, and how we use our time. Seneca, a prominent Stoic philosopher, statesman, and dramatist, uses his sharp intellect and eloquent language to deliver profound wisdom about life and death. On the Shortness of Life wrestles with the concept of time and our relationship with it. Seneca argues that life isn't short, but we make it so by wasting a lot of it. He encourages living in the present and making the most of our lives. The book also delves into themes like the pursuit of wealth, ambition, friendship, and duty. The book opens with Seneca's bold assertion that it's not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it. He criticizes people who are preoccupied with pointless pursuits, which rob them of their time and life. He emphasizes that life, if well lived, is long enough. Seneca then discusses how people pursue wealth and social status, only to realize that they've sacrificed their lives in the process. He warns against the danger of becoming a slave to our desires and ambitions. In the final part of the book, Seneca talks about the importance of self-improvement, true friendship, and fulfilling our duties. He encourages us to live according to nature, value our time, and lead a virtuous life. 1. Value of time. One of the most profound lessons from the book is the importance of time. Seneca emphasizes that time is the only resource that, once spent, we can never get back. He urges us to not squander it on frivolous pursuits or in idleness. Instead, we should use our time wisely, investing it in actions and pursuits that enrich our lives and our understanding of the world. Remember, every moment wasted is a moment of life that we'll never reclaim. 2. Living in the present. Seneca's philosophy is grounded in the Stoic belief of living in the present. He encourages us to let go of past regrets and future anxieties, as neither are within our control. The past has already happened, and the future is yet to come. The only thing we truly have control over is the present moment. By focusing on the present, we can lead more fulfilling and meaningful lives. 3. Pursuit of wealth and status. Throughout the book, Seneca warns against the relentless pursuit of wealth and status. He argues that these pursuits often distract us from what truly matters in life: virtue, wisdom, and personal growth. Acquiring wealth or achieving high social status does not guarantee happiness or contentment. Instead, it often leads to more desires and dissatisfaction. True happiness, according to Seneca, lies in leading a virtuous life. 4. Importance of self-improvement. Seneca places great emphasis on the pursuit of knowledge and wisdom for self-improvement. He suggests that we should always strive to better ourselves and grow as individuals. This doesn't just mean acquiring knowledge for the sake of it, but learning in order to understand life, the world around us, and our place in it. It's about becoming wiser, more compassionate, and more virtuous individuals. 5. True friendship. In Seneca's view, true friendship is not about mutual benefit or shared interest. Instead, it's about supporting each other in the pursuit of virtue. A true friend helps us become better versions of ourselves. They challenge us, encourage us, and stand by us in our journey towards self-improvement and personal growth. In this sense, friendships are not just social connections, but vital partnerships in our quest for a meaningful and virtuous life. This book's key strength lies in its timeless wisdom and universal applicability. Despite being written centuries ago, its lessons resonate with modern readers. It's a wake-up call to reassess our priorities and live more meaningful lives. In my opinion, On the Shortness of Life is a transformative read. It challenged me to reflect upon my own life and priorities. It's a stark reminder that time is fleeting and we should make the most of it. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the shortness of life. Do you agree with Seneca's views? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful book summaries. As Seneca said, life is long if you know how to use it. So go out there, thinkers, seize the day and make every moment count. Until next time, keep thinking, keep learning, and keep growing. Robert N. Jacobs signing off. Thank you.